That's my how-to guide on how to select, start and cancel a program on a Beko condenser dryer like this. So obviously you have to turn it on first, then we'll select our program. Then you can select low heat if you need to and press start. So if you open the door, it will pause the cycle, but likewise you can also pause the cycle by just hitting the start pause button once. But if you're in the incorrect cycle or in the incorrect timeline, you might want to cancel it. And to do that, let's say you've been driving for 100 minutes, let's say you've been driving for 50 minutes and 100 minutes and everything's dry. You can take everything out. When you go to then put it on freshen up, it will actually resume the 50-minute cycle. And you don't want that. So to cancel cycle, press and hold, start pause, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And the clean filter and water tank lights will light up if it's a condenser, the clean filter light will light up if it's just a vented, and 0 will light up on here. And if it's a set to dry, it will just let it end anyway. So that's it. That's a quick how-to guide on how to start, pause and cancel a program on a Beko type dryer or even a Blomberg. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful for using your own Beko. Thank you for watching.